Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2006 Ford Expedition and I will show you how to reset and clear the TPMS tire light and message. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2003 all the way up to 2006. Okay, so before I start, first I will show you the message I'm getting when I start the vehicle. So the yellow TPMS light will be on and I'm getting tire pressure monitor fault. Now I will show you how to reset that. Now pretty much what you have to do, you have to reprogram each of the sensors starting from the front left, front right, rear right and then rear left. That can be done using a TPMS scan tool. If you don't have one, then if you're lucky, it's doable just by releasing the air from each of the tire, and that could get each of the sensors recognized and programmed. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. In worst case scenario, you will need a scanner, but you can have it rented out, at least here in Canada, for a day for like 20 bucks, or you can even buy a cheaper one online for 50 bucks. And then you have it for any vehicle that you have to use it on. To start the tire relearn process, first you have to get the vehicle into the tire learn mode. Now to do that, sit in the vehicle, close all of the doors and have the key in the off position. Now what you will do, you will press and release the brake pedal once. Then you will cycle the key from off to run position 3 times and leave it in the run position. 1, 2, 3. Now you will press and release the brake pedal once again. And now you will cycle the key 3 times again, leaving it in the run position. So 1, 2, 3. And you will hear the horn sounds. Beeps actually, and you will get the message train left front tire. And now you can proceed outside with the scanner, and if you don't have one, then you can try releasing the air from that tire until the horn beeps, and then you can proceed to the front right tire. Before I go out, I will quickly show you how this scanner actually works, because all of them are pretty much the same. So first you have to select service TPMS, and then you have to select your make and model and year. So it's a Ford Expedition, mine is an 06, manual relearn, mine is a standard ignition. Now if you have a push button start, then the process to get into this tire learn mode is a bit different, but I have a standard ignition, so this is what I'm showing you. And now we are here and I'm ready to proceed outside and start training each of the tires. Okay, so to start, you want to approach the front left wheel and place the scanner near the TPMS sensor and press start. Okay, once this one is done, you'll get all the information from the TPMS sensor, such as battery status, PSI, and things like that, and the horn will beep, and then you can press OK and proceed to the front right wheel and do the same thing. Okay, this one is good to go as well. Okay, now this one. Okay, this one passed as well. Now the horn will beep. Okay, and the last one. And that's all. This is how you do it. And once you hear the horn beep, that means the training is complete and your TPMS light and the message should be off. Even if you proceed to the vehicle, you will get the message, tire training complete. Okay. And now I will start the vehicle to make sure that the message is not here anymore. And the light is off and there is no message displayed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.